To start off your installation, begin by levelling the ground to ensure you're applying the grass to a level surface. Then, place down your undersheet to protect the grass from any sharp stones or weeds that may damage the yarn. Simply roll out the turf onto the desired area, folding up the edges where required. Cut the sheet along the side which you intend to become bonded, making sure that you cut close to the fibre line so that there is only a small gap between the two lines being bonded. You can then roll on the next sheet and cut along the joint accordingly. What you must then try to achieve is a small gap of around 1 to 2 mm between the two partitions. To check this, simply follow along the fibres and pull back the grass until you can see the size of the gap beneath. If the gap is too large, as is the case here, simply pull together the two sheets until they're the desired distance apart. You must then trim the edges of the joint so that the area is prepared for bonding, as demonstrated here. Then apply the Envirostick adhesive. To do so, mix with the hardener. And then roll out using one of these machines. Pull out the roll along the joint in parallel, ensuring to be as central as possible. What you must then do is roll over the two halves of the sheet onto the adhesive. Try to ensure both sides are as parallel as possible in this case. Once again, check along the line to maintain the 1 mm gap along the seam and roll down to help the adhesive form a permanent bond. If necessary, lift up one edge of the seam to check that you have created an even consistency along the bond. You can then proceed to trim the edges of the lawn to fit the area tightly. If you encounter an area of raised decking, you can simply tuck the turf beneath it. This will not only provide a great looking finish, but also some stability to the installation. Areas next to stone features can be nailed down and then carefully covered in the stones to create a nice straight edge, as shown in this demonstration. Then apply sand to the installation. This will provide a natural feel and enhance the product's durability. The finished product is a great looking, evenly finished piece that will last for a lifetime.